myself down so you can still hear me. Howdy, howdy guys. How are we doing tonight? I just realized I need to do this so we can see that. And drag that to there. I need to send one quick message ever so quickly. And then we are off to the races. Right, there we go. That message has been sent. Right, how are we doing today, my friends? I hope we're all doing well. Hello, Ben. How you doing, my friend? Good. That's some good stuff, my friend. It's good to hear. Right, what was I about to do? I was about to go share this. Hello, Miss Love. How you doing, my friend? I need to go share this in various places to ensure people can enjoy the hell that is about to happen. There we go. Okay. Right, so hello. We want Vert Manager, not Vert Keyboard, Vert Manager. Oh god. Escape. Lord. Hello, Gaming Fire. How you doing? It's good that you're doing well, my friend. I have accidentally opened up the virtual keyboard and I can't get rid of it. I just tried to type in 2 separate passwords at the exact same bloody time. Go, there we go. So, this virtual machine I wound back. So there is going to be it's going to be without its without the frame buffer driver. There we go. I turned it back. What I will do is I will also hopefully shout at OBS to correctly capture the screen. There we go. And bada bing. Problem solved. Right, so the reason why everything looks scrunched in is because I did wind back the virtual machine snapshot to a earlier point in time. I wound it back to the no butcher. So we did CMake, we did GDB, we did that, and we installed CMake, which is actually this week's video. What I am going to do is install Oh My ZSH, because that Oh My ZSH looks horrible without Oh My ZSH, and because I've got my configuration, well, I got the configuration that I was given by somebody else currently enabled in this, I'm having issues. Control Amiga, yeah. Also Control Alt Delete. Yes. Right. Oh My ZSH. Oh My ZSH. I'm so glad I was able to get out of that one. I was just doing something inside 5M. I was like, oh no. Oh, that's cool. LFS sources. So, get HTTPS console. Look. I've actually got a thing that tells me where I am now. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So get HTTPS : / yeah, whatever works for you. / raw.github user content.com / omyzsh / omyzsh / master / tools install.sh rm install.sh. Now we want to do make directory omyzsh. Do this / install.sh. Okay. CH, oh yeah, chmod plus X. Install .sh. Move install.sh to oh my zsh cd oh my zsh. I can actually see where I am now, which is excellent. /install. Git is not installed. Ha! I need to install Git then. So, back to BLFS. So, Linux from scratch.org, BLFS, read online, version 12, current stable, and then we want to do Git. So I want to install Git first. So, wget https console/kernel.org/hub software hub software scm git 2.41.0.tar.xz r-xvf git cd into git. Right, now that we are here, we want to do ./configure equals configure -prefix equals /user /enter with git config equals /etc git config /enter with python equals python3 and time meg -j30. If it moves, also compile it. Yes. So hopefully, we'll be able to get this up and running and sorted out, which would be very nice. Oh, the ZSH now shows the CPU, and I don't know why it suddenly thinks there was 2,425% of my CPU used. Okay, as you do. I have not installed ASCII docs, nor have I installed xmito, so we're not touching that. But we do now need to build it. We'll install it. So, make space Perl. I am still in the correct space. Perl. Lib equals /user. User lib perl 5 /5.3 e@38 /site underscore perl install. Done. Because we now didn't do anything else, if we downloaded the HTML docs, we did not. We're not going to touch that because we didn't do the docs. So if I now do then into oh my zsh and now do /install. Git clone of repo. Oh. Yay. Okay, let's try this again. So, well, first off, rm installed sh. It's a good thing that I downloaded Git because we should probably get Git anyway, just to make life easier. Right, so sh-c quotation mark $, regular bracket, oh sorry, parentheses if you're American flavored, -0 -https raw.github user content.com oh my zsh oh my zsh master str tool install.sh parentheses if you're American flavored and that git clone failed of, well, ain't that wonderful. Shall we try that with curl? Oh, hang on. Does Git need to be enabled via you via the user service? It does, doesn't it? I don't know. So, I mean, Git's installed. So if I do Git, I don't know. But yeah, it's installed. So, yay! Well, looks like I'm manually cloning the directory then. Right. Okay. So. Oh yeah, I can just do this. So, git clone https://git hub.com/oh my zsh/oh my zsh.git is not a git command. Thanks. Remote is not a git command. See git help. What do you mean remote HTTPS? What? What? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so gh repo clone oh my zsh/oh my zsh. Wonderful. What do you mean remote HTTPS is not good? Right, so it wants me to log in. Let me pull up my documentation for it. Yay! Sublime text, come here. Ain't this fun? Right, so I am actually just going to quickly stop sharing the screen so I can then enter my GitHub information without the world seeing it. So I'm going to do git config global dot name that, and then config user dot name. Okay, we turn the screen back on because it ain't working. Gotta love it. So we want to do diddly dee. So git clone or git clone git clone git at github.com colon oh my zsh slash oh my zsh.git. Thank you. Get fucked. The repository exists. Yay. Okay, this is wonderful. I can't even... Can I just have a wget? I love it. https:// github.com/oh my zsh/oh my zsh /archive/refs eds last little zip. Because of course that works. Because of course it does. Hey, hey, hey. Yay. Unzip. Right. wget https downloads.sourceforge.org. I forgot that I don't have unzip installed anymore because I I screenshotted the machine back to a functional one that did not have unzip. tar-xvf unzip. cd unzip. I use Debian 12 as my main distro. Mainly because I like it. And it works. And I've also made mine look like Windows XP. This here is kernel panic from scratch. The reason why we call it kernel panic from scratch is because when I first made this operating system, it kept chucking kernel panics. Didn't mean to whack you. But yeah, it's called kernel panic from scratch because it kept chucking kernel panics. So I put it to a poll and you guys selected kernel panic from scratch. So kernel panic from scratch. There we go. https linux from scratch.org/patches/blfs/12. BLFS/12.0/unzip -6.0 consolidated _fixes-1.patch cd unzip. The reason why I'm doing that is because it's a patch that's required. So for unpacking zip archives with file names containing non-ASCII characters, use WinZip while running Wine and Windows emulator. Use bsd-tar-xf from libarchive to unpack the zip archive, then fix the damage made from the file names using the conv-nv tool. And the following example is zh_cn.utf8.locale. Why is the screen being funky? There is literally nothing behind. You are capturing the screen, not the window. That's why. Oopsies. Right. But we don't need to do that. So first things first, because I'm just using English ASCII. So patch -n, capital N, lowercase p, number 1, -i, /unzip, hyphen, consolidate patches 1. Now we need to do time make -f unix /makefile gen -j30 unix /makefile generic. Although I could spell generic correctly, wouldn't it? Needs to be there, doesn't it? Yeah, it needs to... Yay. Done. And now what we need to do is install it. So make prefix equals /user, as it always does. Man dir equals /user share man 1 /enter -f unix /makefile install. Bada bing. So now I've got this, I'm going to / and then cd back into omyzsh unzip master.zip. Well, I hope this is fine. chmod +x omyzsh.sh omyzsh.sh. Cannot be loaded from sh, you need to run zsh instead. Well, that's the thing. I'm running. Hey. Cat /etc/shells. Don't you see? It is there. Ay. God love it. Got to love it. configuring ZSH. There's a whole host of configuration files for ZSH, including ZSH environment profile, ZSHRC, zlogin, zlogout. The first time ZSH is executed, you'll be prompted by messages asking several questions. The answers will be used to create a ZSHRC file. If you wish to run these questions again, do that, which I can't do because it needs to be run as root. However, there are several built-in advanced prompts in the ZSH shell. Start the advanced prompt support with auto load. So auto load hyphen capital U prompt init nothing. Prompt init hyphen L. Mamma mia. Hey. Jesus Christ on a bike. Well, I don't know why it is using. Okay, so this is the point where I open up another thing. I would, if it would let me. Also, hello, Pancake. How you doing? wget -c $sign American flavored bracket parentheses wget -o https://raw.github user contents.com/oh my zsh/oh my zsh/master tools .install.sh/install.sh American flavored bracket and then that. What do you mean invalid hostname? Martyr, not master. Yay. Still please ignore me. Please. What you? Why? What do you mean the thing you posted above? I don't. I don't see it. I don't see the thing you posted above. Yeah, I don't see the thing you posted above. Also, yeah. Okay. Please ignore me. I'm being dumb again. Yes, everyone's favorite internet angry Linux person is having a dumb. Because I stupid. Why are you Hey. Why are you failing the simplest of stuff? Hey. sh-c. Thank you, by the way. fx-c, that one. $. American flavored bracket curl hyphen FSSL HTTPS console / I have curl installed. Pretty damn sure I do, because I remember installing it. Although, again, I could be wrong, because user content /o.com/o my zsh/o my zsh/master tools install.sh American flavored bracket. Well, apparently I had installed curl on the system I have now since backdated, which means it doesn't exist. This is gonna be hell. This is gonna be hell. Oh God. Scary. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to hell. Get curl.se/curl-8.2.1.tar.xz tar-xvf curl cd curl ./configure -prefix =/user /enter -disable static /enter with open SSL /enter -- enable threaded resolver /enter with CA path =/etc SSL cert and time make -j30. This is fine. I totally didn't forget the fact that I didn't have this installed. Whoops. Whoopsies. There we go. Make install and rm-rf docs examples /examples/deps and find docs/bracket -name make file \**o enter -name Yep. I will remember to do that because I've got to do that again. /*1 -o enter -name /*3. Oh, I made a mistake. That should be .3 .1 -o \*enter -name /*3 -o enter and then -name the make lists.txt / American flavored bracket -delete and copy -v -R for recursive docs -T. I don't know what that one is. User share doc curl. Because Americans for some reason call a regular bracket parentheses, so American flavored bracket. American flavored bracket. Curl -8.2.1. Bada bing. Okay, back to go recompile Git. git slash configure hyphen prefix equals slash user backslash enter hyphen with git config equals slash etc slash git config backslash enter with python equals python 3 and time make minus 30. Coffee cup's empty. Sad. Right. I hope you enjoy that video with your bitrate. Because guess what my NVIDIA drivers are doing? Not working. Because NVIDIA, I installed it correctly. And now for some reason, something or other, something NVIDIA won't install anymore. I've got to either figure that out or do a clean install. I don't want to do a clean install, which is fine. Thanks, NVIDIA. Anyway, make HTML dir equals slash user share doc git dash 2.2.41.0 install run. Make perl lib dir equals slash user lib perl 5.38 slash site underscore perl install. There we go. ZSH. Which now means if I could have avoided all of this. Want to know how I could have avoided all of this? I installed curl in the first place. Ah! This is annoying. Oh, Lord. Yes, make ZSH my thank you. This is wrong because if I do cd, like that's overwritten my my ZSHRC, hasn't it? This is written over my ZSHRC. Thank you. Yeah. Right, bear with me whilst I just connect to the virtual machine and then drop in the ZSHRC file correctly. A new tab, SSH, actually, SC. Okay, so this isn't quite what I thought it would be. However, that is now ZSH. And I have my ZSH installed. Yay! Right, well, I've got my ZSH and ZSHRC file installed. Right, okay. So we wanted my ZSH installed because it needed to be made to be looking nicer. I need to fix the frame buffer driver because I would like this to be in larger. So it's compile time again. cd lfs sources / linux. Make Mr. Proper. Make menu config. Okay, so if I remember correctly, my buffer would be in diddly-dee. Where is my... Device drivers. It's under graphic. Is it under graphics? I can't remember now. That's good. Graphic support. There we go. Right. So we'll enable Nouveau as core, not module. DRM. Right. We'll do that. Anything else I need to enable? There's my VirtIO GPU driver and all of that. Display panels. No, I don't need that. We'll do that. Simple frame buffer driver. Yes. We'll do that as well, just because I can, just in case. Frame buffer devices. Frame buffer devices. And then... yeah, I think that's probably worth doing. Boot up logo. That's how we tell if a frame buffer devices, a frame buffer driver is working. So I'll just go and enable the rest of them as well. May as well at this point, really. We won't do anything that'll force. Because I'm not using anything, display link. I'm not doing that. Just turning on just in case. There's USB projectors. Good. We won't do that because it's dangerous. Right, okay, so save. Okay, exit. What I now want to do is open a new tab, come here to Linux, realize I have not yet set my Xorg config up, which I should probably do now. I'll do that now. Export Xorg prefix equals /user. Export Xorg config equals apostrophe hyphen prefix equals $sign Xorg prefix hyphen this conf dir equals /etc enter local stated ir equals /var hyphen disable static. Howdy, Peter. Right. Now we need Spotify. Horrible. I've burnt myself quite a fair few times today on accident. Right. If you are a long-time follower of me and what I do here with Linux. What do you mean fix the prefix? That's correct. Oh. Never mind. Fucking God. You know, I hate myself sometimes. There we go. Let's try again, shall we? Right, if you're a long time watcher of this channel, you know that I like to listen to a particular song when I compile the Linux kernel because I am habitually stitious. I'm not superstitious. I'm just a little bit stitious. So, it is time. We listen to the song Nero Forte by Slipknot every single time we compile the drive, compile Linux. Are you ever good on Peter? Sleep well, my friend. Yes, every time we compile the Linux kernel, I have to be listening to the song Nero Forte by Slipknot, because if I don't, it's not going to work. Because if it doesn't work, I then start crying. I'm satisfied, and you. It's a good song. But yeah, every time I compile, if I don't do this correctly, or if I don't do the song, it's not going to work. This is why we listen to the song. It is tradition point, not superstition. Ow. My arm hurts where I burnt myself. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Didn't realise I burnt myself until just now. Oh lord. Oh my. So, hopefully, this will give me my frame buffer back. We have established the fact we've established. Sorry, I just happy along with the tongue. We've established the fact that I'm not going to be able to get graphics to work at all with this. Like, the people that are able to get a desktop environment for their Linux from scratch systems are bloody wizards. Absolute bloody wizards. So we need now to restart. Yay. Right, okay, reboot now. Escape 1E. Still need to fix this. Right. No penguins. No penguins. Ow, my eyes. Display spice. No, not display spice. Video QXL. Change it from QXL to VertIO. Apply. Here. Back to the full screen. E. Down to here. No. Oh, no. I'm not trying to fucking log out. I'm trying to do this. Escape 1E. There we go. Don't know what I did there. 10. There are my penguins. There's my frame buffer driver. Okay. I did forget to copy the stuff. Bear with me whilst I go do that. Yeah, I kind of forgot. Someone call my mouse there for a second. Yeah, I kind of forgot to do that. Make. Hope if I typed in here, wouldn't it? Make modules install. And now what I want to do is copy -iv arch / x86 boot B or B capital BZ capital I image /boot /VM lins. Yes. I want to do copy -iv system.map to /boot system map. Yes. And then copy -iv.config /boot Config, yes. We don't want to do the documentation. Now we want to reboot. Down here, go to change that to redo that. And now we have the updated kernel. There we go. So, what we have here is a frame buffer to drive its system. Now, because we've established the fact that I will never be able to get a functional graphical environment because it doesn't like me, we're now limited to what we can do via the command line only, which, depending on your opinion, it may or may not be a limitation. There is links and then there is links. LINX or LINKS are text-based browsers. We could do that. We could install a web server or a DNS server. There's mail servers we could do, database servers, open LDAP or unbound. No. No. It does not. You know what? It might actually, it might be possible. It might just be possible that I could attempt to do a simple hang on, let me have a look here. Right. UEFI text editor, shells, virtualization, general libraries and utilities, graphics and font libraries, no. General utilities, no. System users, no. Programming, no. Network, no. I can install Wireshark. Oh god, let's not do that. Servers, no. Graphical components, aha. Here's the spicy sauce of this. Right. I've got two choices for, well, Display Manager or Window Manager. There is Fluxbox, IceWM, OpenBox, and Sawfish for window managers. The display managers, it is GDM, LightDM, or Simple Display Desktop or Simple Desktop Display Manager. Now, hang on. What a DWM. Could I not just do DWM? I'd still need Xorg, wouldn't I? Yeah, I'd still need Xorg. Right. Let's go for IceWM. SSH there. Okay, that was weird. So going on the sources, I need to check to see if I have GDK Pixbuff. So ls type grep GDK hyphen Pixbuff. Oh, yeah, I could just do that now. I have a buffer show, which means I can do this now. Okay, so GDK Pixbuff. I've got it. I've installed it. Gork, GCC, GDBM, get text, git, glib, 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 gmp, go, objects, gperf, grep, groff, grub, and gzip. Because I don't have GDK Pixbuff, required for IceWM, a graphical environment. Xorg 7, which I've installed. I have not installed Xorg yet. Well, I guess I'm installing Xorg. God damn it. Right. I need to set the prefix. So export xorg underscore prefix equals /user. Export xorg config equals equals apostrophe hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix hyphen sysconf dir equals /etc /enter local stated ir equals /var disable static. Right. So echo xorg config echo hey dear. Fixed. And now echo xorg prefix. Good. Okay, clear. Right, create a profile.d /xorg.sh files containing these configurations. So cat into /etc/profile.d /xorg.sh until EOF. So xorg prefix equals $, equals quotation mark $. That's having a weird one. $. Xorg prefix apostrophe enter xorg underscore config equals apostrophe prefix equals // xorg $, xorg prefix hyphen this conf dir equals /etc local stated ir equals /var and disable static quotation export xorg prefix, I can spell it, prefix and xorg config EOF chmod 644 etc profile.d /xorg.sh. Thanking. Okay, now that we've done that, we installed sudo, which we have not. if you're not using the standard XOR config, if you've decided to use the standard user prefix, you must omit the remainder of this page and continue until util macros. So there's util macros. Required. Xorg build environment. You should set the following. Okay, so we've done that. Util macros. So, do I have util macros? I do not. So, wget https:// www. The domain or Elon Musk can't get /pub/individul /util macros hyphen 1.20.0.tar.xz tar-xvf util macros cd util macros /configure xorg prefix xorg config even. I mean, it's not wrong. I make install. So the fun begins. Nothing to be done for that. /configure $sign xorg config. Okay. Make install. Unrecognized on option sysconf dir =/etc. Have I done a dumb? Don't answer that. I probably have. If it's not working, I've probably done a dumb. This should not be a surprise. Yay. So, export xorg config equals apostrophe hyphen prefix equals $sign xorg underscore prefix. What do you mean rm-f user? Okay. Right, so export xorg config equals apostrophe hyphen prefix equals $sign xorg config or xorg prefix. Never mind. That's weird. I'm just doing this to make sure I've not messed it up. sysconfdir equals /etc /enter locale stated ir equals /var disable static. What? So util macros /configure xorg config. Evidently, I typed it out wrong. Why is it when I do things the second time around it always works? That's not. No? No. Why is it doing that? Why is it? Why are you doing that? Hey, hey. RM-F use. Why is it trying to remove? Hold on. Why? Why is it trying to remove it? Also, why is sysconf dir equals /etc an unknown option? That's a better question. Why is that an unknown option? Did I more than likely messed up the profile.d, didn't I? Oh god. I think I've just seen it. Bear with me. You're gonna want to slap me. Oops. Profile.d/xorg.sh. There is supposed to be a backslash there. There's supposed to be a backslash there. xorg config quotation marks hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix hyphen sys conf sysconfdir equals /etc local stated ir equals var disable static export xorg prefix. I swear to god, if that's what broke it, I'm going to flip my beans. I'll go downstairs, I'll get a can of beans and just go flip. Okay, that didn't work. Thanks, I hate it here. Why? Why is it? Why? What is it trying to remove? Why is it trying to remove? According to the introduction to Xorg 7, if you are not using the standard Xorg prefix, if you've decided to use the standard user prefix, which I have, you must omit the remainder of this page and continue until util macros. Continue at util macros. Bearing in mind, this here is util macros. I hate it here. Why are you trying to remove things? Don't shiver. Are they part of the fucking dialogue group? Like, what more does it want? Why did that work? You know what? I will just manually input the Xorg config. Hyphen prefix equals / user this conf dir equals / etc / local stated ir equals / bar disable static. Thanks, I hate it here. Why did that work? Why did that work? I hate it. Why did that work? Why did that work? Oh, yeah. What we get? We're now moving on to Xorg Proto. Yes, / hold on. Like, it's all set correct. Like, it's... Mamma mia. This is not a spicy meatball. I don't... ISWM, a graphical environment. I need to install all of the Xorg stuff, don't I? Right, back to Xorg Proto. W get https / xorg.freedesktop.org / archive / individul / proto / xorg proto -2023.2.tad, like I said. -xvf. Why does that not work? Xtort, not xorg. Thanks, Brian. -xvf xorg proto. cd xorg proto. Yep. Extort the proto. So, make directory build, cd build. Mason setup. I just saw something appear on my... Oh, that's what I saw on my thing. So the buffering logo for this. Mason setup hyphen prefix equals xorg equals xorg prefix dot and ninja. Mason setup hyphen wipe. Ay, ay, ay. Done. Fix doc xorg proto brace comma dash 2023.2 brace. Small dumb. MA. Small dumb. libxa. You. For fuck's sake. I'm gonna go through this all over again. I hate it here. wget ht wget ftp //ftp dot the domain Elon Musk can't get.org /pub /individ al/lib xau -1.0.11.tar.xz. tar-xvf lib xau cd lib xau /configure $xorg config and time make -j30. And time make install. We are done. Not again. What is my xorg config? I gotta type this in every single bloody time, don't I? So xorg config is prefix equals /user. This conf dir equals /etc. Local stated ir equals /var. Then disable static. Because of course that works. Hey. Right. On to the next one. Lib. I don't have that one. Tar wget ftp the domain that Elon Musk can't get, ftp //ftp.x.org /pub /individul /lib lib xdmcp -1.1.4.tar tar-xbf lib xdmpc cd lib xdmpc /configure. I got to do this every bloody time, don't I? Oh, hang on, no, I don't. /configure, and I want to do dir equals user share lib xdmcp -1.1.4 and time make -j30. I can install. Huzzah! Hang on to the next one. XCB Proto. I do not have XCB Proto, so let's go install XCB Proto. Yay. Let me do that. So, www. Okay. wget https://xorg.freedesktop.org/archive/individul /proto/xcb-proto -1.16.0.tar tar-xvf xcb proto cd xcb proto python equals python 3.configure xorg config once again is yay. I've got to do this every single time now. Configure prefix equals /user sys conf dir equals /etc local stated ir equals /var and then disable static. Done. Now that on XCB Proto, we need to do make install libxcb. So wget https://xorg.free-desktop.org/archive/individul/lib libxcb -1.16.tar.xz r-xvf libxcb cd libxcb /configure xorg config, which is I've done this one by now. Prefix equals /user /enter sys conf dir equals /etc /enter local stated ir equals /vir /enter disable disable static /enter. Now what is it? It is without the oxygen DOXYGEN /enter doc dir equals $. That is a brace. Data dir brace apostrophe slash doc slash lib xcb dash 1.16 dot and time make minus j30 bada bing. I gotta do this every single fucking time now, don't I? That's fine, it did it. Time make install. It's fine. This is fine. It didn't fail. It's fine. Oh god. Right. Next one is the Xorg libraries. Oh god, I remember the hell that was this. Do we all remember the hell that was the Xorg libraries? Because I certainly do. So make directory Xorg. I'm just cd Xorg. So. Aha. Do I have funcon? 2 I might need. I don't have func config, and I don't have. I've just done libxcb. Okay, Miss Love. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night, my friend, and I hope you sleep well. I hope you have a good one. I'm gonna start viciously crying into my computer in a second. Oh God! Please, somebody remove me from the face of the earth. Thank you. Yay. Okay. I need font config. Font config requires free. I remember going through. I remember going through all of these. I don't want to do this anymore. I remember going through all of these. I don't want to do this anymore. Oh God. Oh. I don't want to do this now. I really don't want to do this now. There's got to be an easier way. There isn't an easier way. Hey, free type recommended is half buzz. Do I have half buzz here? It's a H. I don't see a H anywhere, so no, I don't have half buzz. Yay. First install without it, after it is installed, reinstall free type. Oh yay, I've got to do half buzz then for. I've got to do free type, half buzz, free type. Yay. libpng and then which two? Which two? Do you require anything? You don't. libpng, you don't require anything. Free type, you don't require anything. So I need to do free type, half buzz, free type. I'm going to start crying. downloads.sourceforge.net/free type dash 2.13.1.tar.xz. tar-xv free type dot the free type. Did not download the documentation. ed free type. Because fucked if I'm doing that. So time make ministry 30. I've got to manually type it out because for some unbeknownst reason to me, oh, god damn it. Right. For some reason unbeknownst to me, when I'm connecting via SSH to this virtual machine, the ZSH shell doesn't work on the remote connection. Because whenever I type ZSH into the ZSH shell, it does not know what the ZSH command is. It doesn't know what sed is either, even though I have installed sed. Mamma mia. Give me a pizzeria. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this. Sed -ri apostrophe s lowercase s colon dot asterisk American flavored bracket aux underscore modules dot asterisk valid bracket colon backslash #1 quotation colon quotation modules.cfg and start crying now. Sed -r apostrophe s or quote s colon dot asterisk bracket hash dot asterisk sub pixel underscore rendering bracket space dot asterisk colon backslash #1 colon apostrophe quotation backslash enter -i include free type config ft option .h and dot slash configure prefix equals slash user enable free type config disable static and time make monastery. Please excuse me. Let's try that again. Now I need to go do half buzz, then come back, then do free type. Not mean to catch the microphone, I am sorry. So, tar hyphen no w wget www.git https://github.com/half buzz/releases download 8.1.1/half-buzz-8.1.1.tar.xz and q tar-xvf half-buzz cd half-buzz make directory build cd build Mason setup /enter prefix =/user /enter build type =release /enter -d graphite 2 = enabled and ninja. Okay. I'm gonna call it here. I can't. I really can't with this one this time around. I'm gonna come back next week when I'm actually in the frame of mind to do so, because I can't be doing with this one. This is absolute torture at the minute for me, and frankly, I'm not in the place for it. So, I would like to thank you all very much for watching. If you're not already followed, maybe consider following. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike. If you made it this far, please enjoy the howl. Right. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.